To hide files in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open Settings on your device. Inside, we want to find Security and Privacy options, and then navigate down to Private Save. Now, if you enter it for the first time, it may ask you to create your privacy password. So go there and create your own privacy password that you want to use to unlock your private save. In this case, I have my password already, and then when you enter private save, you'll be able to see images, videos, audios, documents, and other files. You can select anything that you like right here and then transfer files. So click on the plus button and then add whichever photo, video, or a file you want, and then it will be added to the folder. So now we can access those images and videos only here. And if I open my gallery now, even in my files, this photo is gone. It is only available in private save through security and privacy right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.